Hi, my name is Evelyn Matthews. I'm in 5th grade and I go to Brookwood Elementary. Nature is not a place to visit, it is our home, by Gary Schneider. And the environment is like our home. It has many different parts. And the part that I'll be talking about today is trees. Did you know that over 36 million trees are cut down every year in the USA alone? Well, some people might say, yeah, so what? Who cares? Well, let me tell you some important facts on why trees are so important to the environment. Number 1, trees help clean the air. Through photosynthesis, trees convert carbon dioxide into the oxygen that humans and animals need to survive. This not only decreases the amount of carbon in the air, but also enriches it with fresh oxygen. They also trap dust, smoke, and allergens, improving air quality. Number 2, trees help soil erosion and rainwater runoff. During heavy rains, water runoff finds its way into streams, lakes, and wetlands, creating the potential for flooding. Leaf canopies help buffer the falling rain, and their roots help hold the soil together, encouraging the water to seep into the ground rather than run off. Number 3, trees are so much fun. Show of hands who has tried to climb a tree when they were little. Well, so have I. There are so many fun things you can do with a tree. You could tie a swing to it, you could run around it, you could read a book under it, you could play a board game, you could have a picnic. All in all, trees are for making memories. Every summer in my family, we pick one fruit tree to plant in our backyard, so that over the years, we now have yummy fruit to enjoy while feeling good about caring for the environment. I encourage each of you to do something similar. Remember, we only have one planet to live on, so let's do our part to maintain it for future generations. Thank you.